Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on All Services. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Autofill. Now Autofill with Google. And blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Autofill is off. If you wish to switch it on, click on the same No Gray Sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!